Okay, so I'm still definitely feeling it, but it was very mild. I took a small amount of, well, not a small, but some MDMA. Um, I was curious if it would change the trip at all. Didn't seem to have any effect whatsoever. But this time what I experienced was it's like everything made out of this pattern, but I noticed that it was different and it would change over time. So it wasn't just like one pattern the whole time. It was changing slowly over time, not changing in the way that I could see it, but in a different way. There was just like rooms and like boxes rotating around really fast, and there were other beings there, and they were cleaning out the rooms, cleaning out the boxes. Again, though, these beings were made out of the patterns that everything was made out of. The patterns were kind of like, I don't know, something you'd see on like a deck of cards or something, like the Ace of Spades or something. I don't know. Not that in particular, but that kind of style. But it was like these beings were cleaning out the boxes, and it was like I was put into a box. It was like I was in this box, and nothing really too exciting about it. The smoke of trying to inhale, I still have it in my hand. This thing, too harsh. It was, I feel like the harshness of it, even through this it's like a vaporizer type thing, but it's not technically a vaporizer. Even through that, it's pretty damn harsh. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. It wasn't too significant this time. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.